Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you all some micro loop extensions from Curlsqueen. So this is everything that came in the packaging. They do send you everything that you will need to do this style. So with these micro loops, they are actually on a web, which was so much easier than just doing regular micro links or loops. But as you guys can see, I do have a curly texture today, which is something very different for me when it comes to micro loops. So I have 3 bundles. This is the texture right out of the packaging, and this is the texture when it is wet. So I wanted you guys to get the overall feel for this hair before you go ahead and buy. So very nice. You can see brushes through nicely, and then here we have it dried. So I'm just combing it through so you guys get a feel for it, and let's go ahead and get into the install. So the perimeter that I have braided is what is going to be my leave out, and everything that I have put away is what I'm going to add the tracks to. So this is what the track looks like. As you see, it has the loops that you're going to end up feeding your hair through. So to start off, after I've sectioned off my leave out, I'm just going to make a part at the very bottom of my head to add the extensions to. So I did cut my webs. I cut them to the size of the hair that I'm leaving out, of course. And then as you see here, you take a little section that you're going to feed through the actual loop, like so. And then you go ahead and just pull it through so that your hair is in the loop. And then you close the microlink. So you close it up so that the track is now stuck to your hair. Super, super easy, a lot quicker than regular micro loops or links, whatever they're called. And I'm just going to repeat that process up my head, as you guys are going to see. And then the part that I have in a bun, I'm actually going to split that into 2, but you guys will see that in just a moment. So I'm just working my way up, and yeah, I don't have any tips or tricks for this. I actually didn't do it very precisely like you normally would, so definitely try to be a lot neater. But I do want you guys to also see that this doesn't have to be done perfect, and it'll still look cute. So you can definitely do this at home. And I would just say be careful to make sure that the hair feels comfortable on your head, to ensure that you're not pulling your hair out or breaking anything off. You just want to make sure everything feels super comfortable, put up or down, kind of tugged on. You want to make sure that you are not in any discomfort, to ensure that you are not losing hair. So that was my big issue, or my main focus. But yeah, I'm just going to work my way up, and you guys will see the other section in just a moment. Okay, so now that I've finished my back section, I'm going to go ahead and section off the leave out that I'm going to do for my middle part. So just a simple braid, and then the 2 sides that I have left, I'm going to add my tracks up in those 2 sections. So yeah, same concept as the back, but I just do that to make it easier for myself. It goes a little bit quicker for me. You can definitely do a whole like a U. You can lay your track in a U and not section it off like this if you like. It's very, very similar to like if you do your own quick weaves or a sew-in. You know, lay your tracks to where you think they'll look right. Thankfully with these, however, you can take them out and replace them if anything looks kind of funny. But for me, I cut my tracks, so they had to be kind of good where I put them at. But definitely do what feels right. Like you guys can see, I'm not doing them perfect at all. It's really not my my main focus. I just want to make sure that they look right and they get in there, and that I'm not spending all day doing this style. So to do this style, it honestly took me all day. That's because I was doing other things in between. And like I said, in no way, shape, or form am I trying to promote that I do these perfectly, but I do like them when I put them in. I do not experience any like breakage or anything. But yeah, so if you want to try this out, definitely go ahead and try it out. Try it out, practice, see what you can do, and you know, just have fun with it. But so you guys see that this hair is curly. I did not want to wet my hair with this texture because I know that my curly hair does not match the texture of these bundles. So I knew that if I wet my hair while I had these in, it just wasn't going to be, it was going to be a lot more work for me than what I wanted to do. So what I ended up doing is just wand curling my hair so that it matched the texture of the extensions better than if I were to actually wet my hair. Now, if you have a texture close to your extensions, then by all means, go ahead and do that. But I never buy extensions close to my hair texture anyway, so I never do like a shampoo with this style in. I don't know why. I just can see it being a whole bunch of work that I don't want to do. But anyway, it definitely can be done. I'm sorry I didn't show you guys that in this video. But yeah, just for an easy, quick blend, I just used my wand curler. So hopefully that helps you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and please be sure to subscribe, like the video, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one.